Hey, thank you. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Where to today? Today we're going down to Baldivis Children's Forest and meet up with Conservation Australia and do some tree planting. So jump on the bike, bit of a trip down, only a short trip, about a 40-minute run from here, just in the freeway. Come along for the ride and see what adventures we can pick up on the way. All the best. Enjoy. Thanks. Well, there's my first mistake for the day. It's an hour and 10 minutes. I'm thinking it's 50-minute run, but it's hour and 10 minutes from Perth down to Baldivis. So say we were on the freeway, heading down all the way down the freeway, and then we'll turn off round. It's closer to Rockingham, and then the next major town from there is Baldivis. But let's head down there and see what we can find. Push the seed into the earth, wait for it to burst forth. Ear to the ground, listen to the hum, feel the beat of Mother Earth's drum. So we're a little bit early before these volunteers start, but they're still in the process of setting up. That's a few of the trees that we'll be planting today, just a bit of what they are, native trees and how they grow, what size, etc. Here's our volunteers wandering down, and also obviously a wildlife educational display of some of the critters in Australia.
Yeah.
And we seem to be lucky with a lot of deadly spiders and snakes and everything else. These ones are supposed to be friendly apparently, but not my cup of tea. I sort of struggle a bit with this. But this young one doing very well. See a python.
I got the largest python in WA out.
And another python. And there we go. They can handle it as much as they like. Not my cup of tea, I'm afraid. Conservation Volunteers Australia do a really good job. That's them doing a bit of a briefing, and we've done the welcome to country, and on this occasion a smoking ceremony as well. And then we'll gather up and walk down to where these trees need to be planted for today. Everything's supplied by Conservation Australia volunteers. We just need the labour, the workforce to actually physically do it on the ground on the day. And then they supply lunch, and all very pleasant. It's not a bad day out actually. Whilst I think of it, having spoken to them, they tell me they have about a 70% success rate. And today we're going to plant over 1,000 trees, or seedlings I suppose. So, you know, I think closer to 1,200, but let's say 1,000 seedlings are planted. If only 70% survive, that's 700 seedlings that you'll grow up to trees. So a great effort, well worth the effort, and well done. All the holes are pre-dug. All you really need to do is grab a couple of those bamboo sticks and the paper or the plastic protector. Put your seedling in the hole with a little bit of fertiliser, all supplied, and then obviously bury the roots. In you go, bang in the poles and walk away. Job done. And that's what it's all about. People like you who care enough to make a difference. Without the volunteers, they do really struggle, but so they do a good job. Here's the lunch supplied, juices and drinks afterwards, all that. So no, you're well looked after. So give it a thought next time you hear about Conservation Volunteers Australia looking for some assistance, and get out and do something. They do tree planting. They also do cleanups, beach cleanups and rubbish cleanups. So yeah, have a look at their website and go from there. Just a couple of photos I took on the day. And we'll leave it at that. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Short and sharp. And I'll see you on the next adventure. All the best. Thanks. Bye. So again, thanks for coming along. I really do appreciate you coming on these trips with me. Comments are fantastic. I'll try to get back to them all. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. It would be really appreciated. And all wishing you all the very best. Thanks. Bye.